Make I tell you story about this flood. For year 1977, Cameroon government take decision to support agriculture for northern Cameroon. So they start to build dam wey go give electricity and irrigate 15,000 acres of land. They come see say this dam wey they wan build go affect Nigeria. Na so Cameroon and Nigeria agree say make Nigeria build one dam wey dem go call Dancing Hausa Dam for Adamawa State, wey for control the water from Cameroon dam. See this dam wey Nigeria suppose build so go give Nigeria 300 megawatts to the national grid, and e go irrigate 150,000 acres of farmland for Adamawa, Benue and Taraba. Cameroon build im own dam finish for year 1982. Nigeria stop to build im own dam because the same year na im military head of state Muhammadu Buhari drag democratic president Shehu Shagari comot for government. This military takeover come affect make dem no fit continue to build the dam. See 40 years after Nigeria government no gree to do the Dancing Hausa Dam, every year wey Cameroon open their dam make water take comot, River Benue and Lokoja confluence dey see flood. Many years don pass and Nigeria government no show concern for this terrible matter. This flood wey we dey see so don kill over 600 people. Millions don enter gbege. Many don injure. To sleep for house, dem no fit. People dey homeless. Crops wey farmers plant and livestock like cow, poultry don die finish. This flood palava don make many people no get food to chop, place to live. Dem no even get way to make income. That one no be all This flood so fit cause underground contamination wey go affect nutritional condition like waterborne illnesses like malaria, cholera, and situation wey be say Nigeria no go take see clean water to drink, cook, or use for body bath because the water don dey contaminated and e no good for human consumption. With everything wey dey ground so, wetin government don do? Nothing Na so blame dem dey blame. Election don almost reach. Person wey get ear make e hear Olu Daniels don talk im own.